Welcome back to the channel, where today I am pulling back the curtain on how I create consistent content without ever needing to hit the record button. What you are watching right now is actually a fully digital AI avatar that mimics my voice, gestures, and expressions perfectly. Today I will walk you through a simple 3-step process to create your own avatar and turn that footage into endless social media clips. We are going to cover everything from generating the perfect portrait to syncing your audio, and finally using a powerful tool called Vizard to automate your distribution. The first step in this workflow is creating a high-quality portrait that will serve as the base for your AI avatar. I personally prefer using platforms like Ideogram because they generate super clean, realistic, and highly detailed portraits every single time. Just sign in with your account, upload a clear photo of your face, and select the style that best matches your personal brand. When generating your character, make sure to consider your aspect ratio because you need to match your target platform, whether that is YouTube or TikTok. Once you have found a version that looks authentic and reads well on camera, download that image in the highest resolution you can find. Now that you have your base image, it is time to move on to step 2, which is bringing that still portrait to life through animation. There are several advanced video models available today, like the ones used by the community for natural head movements and realistic gestures. You will upload your portrait into one of these frame-to-video tools, input a short prompt, and let the model generate the initial silent animation. Since many of these video models do not perfectly sync your voice, you will need a dedicated lip sync tool to finalize the movement. Sync.so is a fantastic option because it allows you to upload your recorded audio and maps it perfectly to the silent character animation. If you are working with longer scripts, remember to split your audio files into smaller, manageable chunks to ensure the best possible results. Once your lip sync is rendered, check the final preview to make sure the camera movement and rhythm feel natural and engaging. Congratulations, you have officially created a realistic talking avatar that can represent your brand without you having to be on camera. Now we reach the most important part of the process, which is taking that long-form video and turning it into a massive stack of viral clips. This is where Vizard becomes your secret weapon for scaling content production effectively and quickly. Vizard is an AI-first editor designed specifically to scan your long videos, identify the high engagement moments, and crop them into shorts. Instead of spending hours manually editing and finding hooks, you just upload your file and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. The platform also handles the heavy lifting of scheduling your posts across multiple social media channels simultaneously. Everything stays in one place, so you can manage captions, adjust your thumbnails, and monitor your analytics without switching between apps. When you import your avatar video, simply set your target clip duration, and the AI will analyze the footage in just a few minutes. You will receive a batch of recommended clips, which you can then quickly review, tweak, and format for the platforms where you want to post. Why choose Vizard over a standard editor like Premiere or CapCut, you might ask? Because Vizard understands the specific hook moments that grab attention, and it combines editing, scheduling, and distribution into a single workflow. This allows creators to post multiple times a day across 5 different platforms without burning out. To keep your content high-performing, make sure you record your initial script with good pacing and plenty of energy. Do not forget to customize your captions after Vizard generates them, as adding a specific question or hook can significantly boost engagement. You can also reuse your long-form videos weeks later with a fresh caption strategy to see if it reaches a completely new audience. Always look at your analytics to teach the AI what your audience loves most, and it will get better at picking clips for you over time. While tools like Ideogram and Sync.so are perfect for the initial creation, Vizard is the essential piece that handles distribution. Think of Vizard as the engine that keeps your content machine running while you focus on the creative side of things. To wrap things up, you create your portrait, animate it with video models, and then use Vizard to slice and distribute the final content. This workflow is perfect for building a consistent online presence without the need for a daily studio setup. One final pro tip for experimenting with these tools is to use temporary email services to create extra accounts if you need more test minutes. I hope this guide gave you a clear roadmap on how to start automating your creator workflow right now. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another deep dive into creator tools. Let me know in the comments if you want a detailed follow-up on how I manage my content calendar, and I will see you in the next one.